And today we are going to be creating that slice effect. Okay, so the only thing we have to do is open up Photoshop and grab our pictures here. Today we're going to be working with a strawberry and a strawberry slice. Okay, so let's start off with the pen tool, hit P. Let's cut it probably somewhere in the middle. That'd be great. Somewhere like so. We'll probably cut it something like this will be fine. And then we'll just go around. Okay, now that our path is finished, let's just go ahead and right click, make selection, hit OK. Make sure our strawberry layer is selected there. Now let's press M, grab the rectangle marquee tool, right click on that, and let's hit layer via cut. Layer via cut right there. Okay, so that looks good. Let's move the top up and move it up a bit right here so we can see what we're doing. So right now there's two ways that we can kind of create a fill for the strawberry here. One of the ways is we can create another layer. We can hit U and go over to our ellipse tool and pull and drag from basically from edge to edge there. Let's make this, okay, put shift and make this a little bit bigger like so. And then we can just fill that with whatever color we'd like. But since we already have an option here, another option, we'll just use that one there. We'll just take our slice. Now the idea here is to take our slice and kind of lay it level, right? So we kind of want to flatten it a little bit. So let me take these layers off real quick. And what I'll do is hit Control, click on one of the handles and go like that. Same way here. Now let's take the bottom handles, Control, and drag up like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Let's go down just a little bit more on the top. Okay, that looks like it might work. Now let's go ahead and apply that. Now let's turn the strawberry back on. Now let's see if see how this looks in here. Not bad. So we'll go ahead and make this a little bit smaller, zoom in a little. Shift and click and drag like so. Okay. Shift, click one of these. There we go. We'll do the same thing at the top. Click, shift, and drag down. So it kind of levels it, if you will. Apply that. Let's see. Let's move this down a little bit. That looks good. That's it. Turn on the top layer. Now we're done. We're done. However, what we can do to make it a little bit more realistic is we can add a shadow. So what we'll do is we'll place the shadow right above the slice layer. Okay, so let's click on the slice layer here and let's make another layer right there, and let's clip those two together. Alt in between our shadow layer and the slice. There we go. Now our foreground color is already black, so we don't need to make any changes there. but we'll go up and grab the brush tool, hit B, and let's see. Flow is at about 100, 61% opacity. That's great. We'll start somewhere up here. So kind of add a little bit of a shadow. There we go. That's it. So before we get out of here, guys, I just wanted to say that everything I have going on is right down in the description box beside the like button and the subscribe button. You see what I did there? Did you see it? All right, guys. See you in the next video.